your Boshe X6L7 washing machine. Board glitch that can be fixed with a manual reset. Please pay close attention to the dial positions, as program names may vary. First, ensure the selector is at the off position. Pause now. Rotate the dial down to the 6 o'clock position. Pause, wait for 1 second, then press and hold the spin button on the right side of the display. Pause while holding it. Turn the dial one more click to the 7 o'clock position. Pause, watch the screen. Once it resets as shown in the video, you are all set. Turn it back to off and your machine is ready to use again.